Hi and welcome back again to Adobe After Effects 2022. Right now I would like to show you how to make a glitch effect on After Effects. Firstly, let's start with the text layer and make a text layer in your composition or timeline. Type something, yeah, and then make it as a composition in your timeline here, the text layer, by pressing Shift Ctrl C on your keyboard and choose move all attributes into the composition and leave the rest of them and type name text. Okay, yeah, and then go to the layer menu, choose new and go to solid, click, or you can press Ctrl Y on your keyboard, choose the color black as your solid, yeah, and then go to the presets and effect and type fractal noise and drop it on the black solid layer, and your effects control, choose the fractal type dynamic progressive and the noise type is block, and increase the contrast as contrasty as possible in your previous screen, and go to transform and uncheck the uniform scaling to increase the width and decrease the height, and make the composition out of it as well. Move all attributes to the new composition as well and type mask, and then copy this composition in this timeline or this composition by pressing Ctrl D on your keyboard and move it into under the glitch text composition layer, and rename this by clicking and press enter to displacement. Yeah, and then go to the glitch text, click the glitch text again and type displacement map and put it right here. Go to the displacement map layer, choose the third layer, which is the displacement composition layer, yeah, and then hide this displacement layer first, and in the track matte drop down box on your glitch text layer, choose the Luma map, yeah, and go to the composition of the mask by clicking double times and increase the brightness as the time goes by. Click the icon of stopwatch here to create a keyframe. Click the black solid layer and press U on your keyboard to show the keyframe. Drag the time indicator and make the value as bright as possible, brighter than the previous keyframe, which is this one. Press J on your keyboard so that the time indicator would move to the previous keyframe, and press K on your keyboard so that time indicator would move to the next keyframe. For the previous keyframe, let's set the brightness as dark as possible. Yeah, so as you can see here, it will create a nice transition. Yeah, and then we can go to the glitch text again and type in the effects and preset tab mosaic. Drop it right there and increase the horizontal blocks so that it will match the pixels as accurate as possible. insert a keyframe by making this stopwatch icon activated. Press U on your keyboard, and to make the time indicator go to the one frame before the keyframe, press Ctrl left arrow, or to the next frame, Ctrl right arrow, and set the horizontal blocks value to 0, as well as the vertical block to be 0, and select the keyframes that contains the highest value for horizontal blocks and vertical blocks, and then copy, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, yeah, and then select them and slide the time indicator where there is no keyframes at all. Press Ctrl V to paste, and play and pause with the spacebar button on your keyboard. To increase the space between these keyframes, press Alt and click drag all these keyframes that we have selected. Yeah, so it's gonna be like this. Yeah, and then yeah, we can go to the displacement map again and activate the keyframes for the max horizontal displacement. Press U again until we see this displacement map keyframes over here. Increase slightly the displacement max horizontal displacement keyframes, and then type 0 again at the end. Yeah, so that's it for making glitch, a simple basic glitch in After Effects. Hope you enjoy, and see you in the next video.